I made this simple makeup organizer from walnut. Check it. I brought this beautiful piece of walnut and I took it to the table saw to resaw it. I know the resawing is easier with the bandsaw, but unfortunately I don't have it. Please, if you are not well trained and practiced to the table saw, do not attempt to do this, because it's dangerous. I know it's more than I needed, but I resaw it anyway. Then I took it to my crosscut sled and cut it to the size. The best way to do this recess in the upper part and the lower part is to use the router. So I brought this extra piece of wood and stuck it together to make a frame with the wood to guide the router with. I almost use every clamp I have to fix this frame and also to fix the wood with the bench, because it's very important to fix them. Any tiny movement will destroy the work. Make sure to use dust extraction with the router because it's so messy. I put the upper part slightly backward from the lower part, so the things in the lower part are more accessible. This piece of wood in between them to make sure that the both pieces are parallel to each other. I marked the location and then I used the angle finder tool to duplicate the angle to the other part of the wood. And then I cut it with a crosscut sled. I found my hand really close to the blade, so I clamp it with this piece of wood to be more safe. I used this trick that I learned from YouTube. I put two pieces of masking tape and CA glue in between them to stack them temporarily to cut them together to make sure that the both pieces are exactly at the same dimensions, and then I can remove it easily. With the speed square I can make sure that my pieces are in the same line with the blade. Too much CA glue, I know, but don't worry, it will be gone when I sand it. these two holes for decoration, but unfortunately I didn't like it, so I removed this part between them. And it became much better. I took my time with the sanding because it's a small piece and it should be flawless.
Two hours later. 2,000 years later.
Small gap between the sides and the bottom, I fix it with the hand plane. Perfect. Two of my fans suggested for me to make the anterior part of the upper piece with the same angle of the sides. Way much better now. Another way to fix two pieces of wood together is to use a double-sided tape. I can put the holes in this area. I tried with a sacrificial piece of wood to make sure that the bits I selected is correct. I took my time to design the drilling pattern. I used the stop pin in the drill press to prevent the bit from penetrating the both pieces all the way through. I did more circle recess using a router bushing and a circle and a piece of wood. I tried many times in a different piece of wood until I reached the size I needed. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I think the rest of the video doesn't need to be explained, so I will let you enjoy the video.